here about the how the electron jump from one energy level to the another energy level and energy state to the another energy state, and what it does, that means what the electron does when it jump from any higher state to lower state or lower state to higher state. Here we describe in this here topic. Emission spectra we can define in this way. The when the electron, that means when electron jump from any higher state to lower state भनेको माथिल्लो स्टेटबाट लोअर स्टेटमा इलेक्ट्रोन जम्प गर्यो भने त्यो जम्पले चाहिँ at the time of the jumping this electron emits some of a radiation, and these radiation are in a line of are just as in the type of lines you can see here, and this type of spectrum is called emission spectrum. Emission spectra भनेको हायर एनर्जीबाट लोअर एनर्जीमा इलेक्ट्रोनलाई चाहिँ जम्प गर्दाखेरि लाइट रेहरू चाहिँ लाइटको रेडिएसनहरू इमिट हुन्छ भने त्यसलाई इमिसन स्पेक्ट्रम भन्छ। र त्यसै गरेर लोअरबाट हायरमा चाहिँ सानो एनर्जी स्टेटबाट हायरमा चाहिँ इलेक्ट्रोन जम्प गर्यो भने द्याट इज कल्ड एब्जर्सन स्पेक्ट्रम। हियर इज गिभन आन्सर इज यू क्यान सी एब्जर्सन स्पेक्ट्रा, that means these are the group of a spectral line. Spectra are the group of a spectral line. Spectral line means these are the radiation, group of radiation, and which are obtained when the electrons jump from lower energy state to higher energy state. You can see in a figure here, you can observe here n equal to 1 is lower energy state, and the electron jump from this lower energy state to n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4, n equal to 5, n equal to 6, n equal to 7, n equal to 8. In this way you can see while the electron jump from n equal to 1 to any higher energy state, then there is formation of what you can see here spectra. This series of spectra, this spectra we can call here Lemon series, and the Lemon series means n equal to 1 to any higher state. If the spectra are seen, then we can say they are Lemon series. Same the way you can see here Balmer series. Balmer series means here in Balmer series electron jump from n equal to energy state to any higher energy state, and the Balmer series, that means this group of a spectral line we call a Balmer series. Similarly, we can obtain different other group of a spectral line, that means radiation of a light while the electron jump from n equal to 3 to any higher state, and similarly we can obtain the absorption spectra in a Paschen series. You know the Paschen series, while the electron jump from n equal to 3 to higher state. Similarly n equal to 4 to any higher energy state when electron travels. Bracket series of this spectra we can obtain, and at last likewise we can get p-fond series while the electron jump from n equal to 5 to any higher energy state. All are the series. You know that series help us to know what type of a spectra. Here is spectra jump from all these cases. You can see in this figure. In all these cases, the electron are going from the lower energy state to higher energy state, and this spectra we call here absorption spectra. Just opposite of this figure, if we here construct, that would be the emission spectra. In emission spectra, here the electrons comes from this energy state, higher energy state to this n equal to 1 lower energy state, and in this way there is many chances, that means electron might go from the lower to higher, higher to lower. There is emission of what? Radiation. So on the basis of where to, that means in which energy level, energy state to electron jump, whether it is from higher to lower, lower to higher. There are two types of the spectral line we can observe in a hydrogen atom, in any atom. Here are two types of the emission. Here are two types of the spectra. You can see here. First one is emission spectra. In case of emission spectra, higher energy state to lower energy state when the electron travels, or that means electron jumps. At that time, there is radiation emits, which we call the emission spectra. And absorption spectra we can call when the electron jump from the lower energy state to higher energy state. Here is figure given, and this is the figure for this absorption spectra, cause they are absorbing energy to go a higher state. And emission spectra, they are emitting energy to go from higher state to lower energy